Introducing StreamLabs, the easy smart home water monitor. Designed for leak defense, water monitoring, and to encourage a water conservation mindset. The StreamLabs water monitor can be easily installed without cutting into existing pipe using a simple setup technique with just 3 quick steps. Featuring state-of-the-art ultrasonic technology, the StreamLabs water monitor shoots sound waves downstream and upstream, measuring the difference in time of flight to record flow, which is shown on the app dial. The monitor, connected to both power and Wi-Fi, talks to the router and exchanges data with your smart device. So, no matter where you are, home or away, work or vacation, the StreamLabs water monitor is protecting your home.